Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll TikTok on an Android phone. So here what you need to do is first go to the Google Play Store and then just download this app, Automatic Scroll, and you can install the app from on your phone. And after that, just open the app first. And after this, here you can just enable the automatic scroll to start the storing service. Just click on this, click on allow. So in here you need to enable the automatic scroll app to display over other apps. So enable this. Let's go back to the apps, click on allow again. Then here enable the automatic scroll on your phone, click on allow, and after that you can just go back again on the apps and then click on scrolling in here you can adjust the speed of the scrolling, the scrollable area, and also the continuous pages. You can just set it as you like. I'm going to just skip this part and then click on add apps, then click on the plus at the top, and then just find the TikTok apps on your phone. So let's scroll down, then click on TikTok, click on then after this you can just open the TikTok apps like this. Let's open the TikTok, and then here just click on this to start the auto scroll. You can see now TikTok will automatically scroll, and you can also just click on this. So just click on the one that you like, and to stop it you can just tap on the screen. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.